Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about a travel trailer so compact, so charming, and so unexpectedly capable, it makes my neighbor Gary's stealth camper van look like a rusty box of regrets. I'm talking about the Luna Aries, a Turkish-built micro-caravan that's smaller than most people's kitchen, but somehow fits a family of four, a kitchen and a bathroom. Yes, an actual bathroom, not just a bucket and a dream. Before we dive into this retro roller skate on wheels, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. We've got more rolling homes and rolling laughs than a retirement community in golf carts. Don't miss out. You'll thank me later when you're cramming your family into something with legroom. Now, let's talk Luna Aries. This pastel-colored nugget is just 9.8 feet, 3 meters long, 6.5 feet, 2 meters wide, and equally tall. That's basically the size of Gary's inflatable hot tub. Built in Turkey by Baskent Karavan, it rides on an ALK chassis, has a fiberglass body, and weighs just 750 to 1,000 kilograms, 1,653 to 2,204 pounds. Translation: if your car can drive, it can probably tow this. Inside, it's like playing real-life Tetris. I liked the most how they squeezed in a convertible dinette that turns into the main bed, 2 tiny bunks for the kids, and a wet bath that's just barely large enough to turn around in, or as Gary calls it, a luxury spa experience. The Thetford cassette toilet, mini sink, and handheld shower all live in one cozy cubicle. There's also a galley kitchen with a 2-burner gas or 1-burner electric stove, sink, fridge, and storage. Because yes, you still need snacks to survive your in-laws. The interior furniture is made from poplar plywood with stain-resistant fabrics and PVC flooring. You also get LED lighting, USB ports, 12-volt plugs, and a 55-liter, 14.5-gallon freshwater tank. No gray tank though, so start practicing your water ninja skills. Just 265,000 Turkish lira, around $6,950 or 6,400 euros. I believe this is one of the cheapest, fully loaded campers with a bathroom on the market. Just be ready to hunt one down in Europe, because it's rarer than Gary's sense of direction. Think of the Luna Aries as your weekend escape pod. Just don't expect a dance floor. And if you're wondering where to get one, well, check the link down there in the description. No, not that one. The one that doesn't ask for your credit card. Oh, and hey, if this video made you laugh, cry, or seriously consider tiny living, like Gary, who's now Googling Turkish imports, become a channel sponsor for just $1. That's right, $1. Links in the description under the video. It might just buy our editor a new roll of duct tape or half a kebab.